Love Radio.
Love Radio Pure Passion and Bacardi Rum present Caribbean Nightingale, Barbadian Songbird, the Queen of Spooge, Wendy Allen. Top 30 hits through the years.
Come back to me and I'll guarantee all the tenderness and love you never need. This time I'll be sweeter, and I think we can make it one more time if we try. One more time for all of the old times. Take me in your arms, take me in your arms, and love me. Don't know how much you mean to me. When you are away, I get so lonely for you, baby. All of my life, I wanna have you near me, 'cause I have a thing about you. I have a thing about you, baby. I have a thing about you, oh yeah. And if you don't believe it, well, I can show you how strong it is.
Barbadian Songbird, Caribbean Nightingale, the Queen of Spooge, Wendy Allen.
In the Caribbean Hall of Fame, Wendy Allen is a big name. I remain active in this race, taking my rightful place. On the roll again, on the roll again.
Wendy Allen, top 30 hits through the years. Now playing on Love Radio Pure Passion, courtesy Bacardi Rum. There is nothing in the way of sipping on Bacardi Rum.
Being where you want to be, taking things the way they come, only picking up what gives you inspiration.